Hey, what's up guys? Alex here with Lem Studio, the best place to find tools that actually fix your problems. And today we're gonna be checking out LemTask, our newest task management platform built for teams who need real workload visibility. So could that be you? Are you managing scattered to-do lists or wondering who's overloaded and constantly watching tasks fall through the cracks? Not fun, right? Well, that's exactly where LemTask comes in. It gives you one unified view of who's doing what and who's about to drown. Sound interesting? Well, I hope so. Let's jump straight into it and let me show you some of the coolest features we've just included into LemTask. As you can see, the first thing off the bat, it's its ease of use. It's pretty straightforward. You jump in, you have your cool looking dashboard with today's tasks as well as a bit of insight regarding your weekly and daily productivity, and a couple of cool other things you could check out more in detail when you hop on the tool and use it for yourself. But I'm the type of person that likes things well organized and broken down into different spaces. As you can see, I have all my tasks for today here, but I rather break it down into lists, right? I have my work list and my private lists, but you can filter it and delegate your tasks however you want to. Some of our coolest and most useful features as well are all the different filters we have. As you can see, if I were to go into my today's tasks, I have one doing it in an hour and a half in a couple I haven't really got into yet because I've been focused on another couple things. But if you were to sort them by priority, as you can see, my urgent tasks are done, the intermediate tasks are done as well, and the lowly that can wait, such as correcting my lab coach outreach sequencing, we can hold off until later this afternoon. So yeah, pretty cool couple features here. As you can see, I can sort by all my personal tasks or my team tasks, which I believe in this case are all up to me as well, but it's nothing to worry about. But yeah, some of the coolest features are lists and our team tabs, a definite game changer for accountability and visibility within our teams at least. As you can see, this has been brutal for me, just being able to sequence everything and filter it by not only by urgency, but also by when I rather do the work. There are lots of different types of people. I'm the type of person who actually works there in the afternoons and the nights, so I leave all the heavy lifting until then, and in the mornings I try and get a little bit of work in and go to the gym and yeah, focus on less time consuming and energy consuming tasks. But yeah, the cool thing about this is that everyone can set it up in a different way. But yeah, moving on to the teams section, super cool, because as you can see here, I have my team tasks, but I have my different little teams here. I'm currently part of two, our SaaS sales team, as well as our YouTube interviews team. And we focus or emphasize the ease of use and noise reduction. We like having our tasks, who they correspond to, who's in your team, what you set out to do, and then some data insights. So at the end of the month, end of the week, you can go back with your team and revise, hey, okay, you've been doing great work. Maybe you should speed up a little bit on this or whatever. It was super cool. Obviously, have a task there we shouldn't. But yeah, for example, let's take a look at our first team task. Weekly Lem Coach product training with SDR teams, for which we have a couple subtasks such as prepare slide deck or send calendar invites. Awesome. And we have a couple notes here for our teams to revise and make sure it's all set in order to keep moving forward. And yeah, another super cool feature is that you can include attachments. Since some of these tasks you'll probably have to maybe do once a week, once a day, or once a month, by including such attachments and actually including them in your template section, your team template section, which is super cool as well. Yeah, you can basically build once and run forever and not have to worry about reinventing the wheel every time, right? Pretty cool. And yeah, you can set some goals. For example, my team goal is to close 50K in new MRR by end of Q1. Bit ambitious, but yeah, I mean, if we're not ambitious, what are we doing after all, right? And yeah, last but not least, my favorite feature that we just included, guys, the brain dump feature, which, as you can imagine, is pretty self-intuitive. What's sick about this is that you can actually record your voice, and the intelligence AI layer will actually extract tasks from whatever you say, break it down into different priorities and deadlines. For example, I need to buy dinner. Okay, the suggested is going to recommend it's for tonight, so you should go out this afternoon. It's high priority because it's for within 6 hours or whatever. And of course, you can use this while you're walking, going for a run, or whatever. You can import it from other tools you're using, straight up write it, import a CSV or an audio file. Super sick feature, which I recommend you guys use. But yeah, that's me, guys. Hope you take care and enjoy it.